a simple life, something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it is Jen from Farpoint Farms. Today we're going to do a little review of these Teendow Robot Vacuum. And it worked out well because my mother-in-law was interested in one, and it happened to be the same amount of time that these people were offering us to send us one. So we're going to go ahead and get this all set up, make sure it is ready to go, and it's going to move on to its new home. So in the box is everything that you need. You've got your main unit right here. You've got a remote control, which this particular one, you don't have to have the app in order for it to work, which is really convenient because not everyone does have Wi-Fi. It comes with our spinner brushes, it comes with some extra filters, and obviously the instruction manuals. This particular one, this model G20, does do the vacuum and the mopping option, which is convenient, really, really convenient. So if you just need to do some light touch-ups on like the tile floor, you can go ahead and get it going and go from there in between real cleanings. So I'm going to go ahead and put the brushes on. And I don't know if you can see it, but there is a left and a right on here. And that's exactly how the brushes are. They will be labeled so you know exactly which one to go to. Again, probably won't be able to see it, but that is going to be the right one right there. And they just push in, there's no tools needed. As these wear out, which they do, you just pop them off and you can go ahead and get replacement ones, which is really convenient. And that's all there is to the assembly. This is going to be your mop pad right here. This is just on with Velcro, so as you use it and you need to clean it, you can just go ahead and pull the Velcro off and you are good to go. Really easy to clean. Got these nice rubber wheels, give you kind of nice grip on the different floor surfaces. This part right here, that is going to be for if you want to do the mop. Just a little reservoir, says up to 230 milliliters. Pour the water in and it just do your light mopping for you. We have a lot of area rugs and carpeting here, so probably not a good option for us. But if you have all hardwoods or a lot of tile floor, it'll be perfect for you. In here, this is going to be your dust bin, which is really nice, easy, convenient, easy to take out. These filters are washable. So as they do get dirty, and they will, that's just the nature of it, you can go ahead and clean it, dry it all out, and then go ahead and reinstall it. And there is some quick troubleshooting tips right here, so if you're having any issues, it'll kind of let you know what is going on with it. It'll let you know if the battery is low, it's going to let you know beep, all that kind of stuff. And again, you have your remote here. It has your on button, it has your home to charge, your auto cleaning, which is going to run for hour, hour and a half. It's going to kind of go in just a random pattern all around. This part right here, this is like your zigzag, which it'll just kind of go up and down all the rooms. And then they have some spot cleaning. They've got different fan modes as far as the suction power. If you're going to mop, how much water that's going to come out of it. So it's really cool. And a quick pause button. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up on the floor so you guys can kind of see how it is in action. Alright, so on this unit, it does have a manual power button that will light up letting you know that it is turned on. It kind of beeps. And there is a little charging symbol here, so whenever you do get it to the docking station, it'll let you know when it is charging. Again, this unit, we're going to use it with the remote control that came with it, but it does have Bluetooth capability. It does have an app that you can use, so whenever you get this to your final location, you can go ahead and get it set up. Here, cell service is kind of iffy, so the Wi-Fi connection wouldn't work the best for us, just because there is no connection for it. On the remote, we got turned on, and I'm going to go ahead and use the zigzag option right here, which means it's just going to kind of go in a pattern, set pattern on it. And with most robot vacuums, they do have those sensors on the side So if it bumps into anything, it'll kind of let you know to go around them. Alright. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is pretty quiet. A little bit like a white noise in the background. And that is a pretty thick area rug. So as you can see, you can kind of get up and over there. And for any of you guys that have pets, you know vacuuming seems to be almost a daily chore to try to get up, and this definitely helps kind of keep everything nice and clean. Alright, and as you see, when it bumps into something, it just turns its direction. And some of you guys have seen those videos of cats riding these things. Our cats want nothing to do with them. And as you can see, it turns around, comes back, and goes the opposite way. That way you can kind of ensure that the whole area is going to get nice and clean. Don't worry, no cats were harmed in filming of this video. So I'm going to let this do a couple more passes, and I'm going to take the dustbin out to kind of show you everything that is picked up.